Welcome everyone, you may be trying to upgrade the beta version of iOS 16 and when you go to the software update page, the brand new beta isn't available. You can see here your iPhone's running the latest software update. So there are two ways to fix this. The first way is head over to the homepage of settings, then find general, then finds it VPN and device management, and the first thing is make sure you still have the iOS 16 beta profile on your device. So you can see I do not have the beta profile on my device, so I will need to re-download it. Next, if you ever have these delay OTA profiles, you can see delayota.com, tap into them and just remove these profiles off of your device. Finally, if you have the beta profile installed, however the software update is not showing up, you will need to force restart your device. So all I'm going to do personally is I'm going to install the iOS 16 beta profile, then I'm going to force restart my device, and then iOS 16, the new beta should show up. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, I have the iOS 16 beta profile and I restarted my device, and now when I go to software update, there we go, iOS 16, and the brand new beta is available for download. So if you see install later, that means the download is already starting. If you get the option to download and install, then tap on it and you'll be good to go. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.